How to fix ometv app camera not working on iPhone. So if you want to fix ometv app camera not working on your iPhone, then what you need to do is first you just need simply install ometv. Once you have your ometv application, the next thing you need to do is open up your ometv and allow the camera access. In my case, it's asking for notifications, right? So you just need simply continue with your Google or something like Apple, Facebook, or BKID. Or you can also join as a guest, select or enter your name and then your age and create profile. Now once you tap on use video chat, it will ask you that if you want to allow the access to camera app. So you just need simply go and allow the access to camera, or you can just simply go back and then open up your settings. Now you need to scroll down and go with general. From here you need to go with iPhone storage, and now from here search for ometv. Once you find it, you need to tap on the ometv. Now you need to tap on offload app. Once you've offloaded the application, you can just simply go back to your ometv and it might fix your problem, or you can just simply go and delete the application. After deleting, again reinstall it, and it will fix your camera not working on your iPhone. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.